if some of you think making a video about pigeons is kind of weird, well, maybe you're right. I love cats, dogs, most animals. Here's one animal right now. Rocky. Okay, there you go. I also love birds.
I love birds!
I've rescued so many of them over the years, and as a matter of fact, the first book I ever wrote was about a bird, Fritz the uncommon grackle. This video is not about that. It's about city birds. The only birds I've seen the whole winter, besides the odd sparrow, are pigeons. This video is about some of the pigeons I filmed over the winter, and then at the end are some birds I told you at the end of one of my other videos that I had not seen in way over 10 years when I lived in Montreal, and those are the robins. To me, they have always been a sure sign of spring. They're really perky birds and they're fun to watch. So there'll be a little bit of that at the end of this video.
Can't stress the littleness of it enough.
Hope you guys all have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like lots of variety.